Are you thinking about getting solar panels on your roof but don't know what to expect? In this video, we'll be walking you through the whole solar installation process, step by step. To design your solar system, solar companies will first start with a site visit. They'll propose your ideal solar setup based on your property's specifications and energy usage. To skip the hassle of arranging multiple site visits, you can also get started with an online solar assessment. This free online tool by Solar AI uses geospatial analysis with satellite imagery to give you an instant estimate of the size and cost of a solar system on your roof. Take advantage of their free solar quote comparison service to find the most suitable solar company for your property. Once you've selected a solar company and finalized your system design, your solar installer will handle the purchase and delivery of solar components on your behalf. Depending on whether your solar installer already has the solar panels and inverters in stock, delivery can take anywhere between a few days to a few weeks. Make sure to keep them in a safe space to prevent breakages. Storing them outdoors in the staging area is fine too. You have to designate a staging area where supplies and construction equipment are stored. If your roof is not accessible by an attic balcony, is more than 2 stories high or is significantly sloped, a scaffolding setup may be required for solar installers to access your roof to install solar panels. Your solar installation begins with attaching mounting frames to secure your solar panels to the roof. With traditional tile roofs, tiles are first removed temporarily, while the mounting frame is drilled into the roof. Once this is completed, the roof tiles are returned to their original position. Once the mounting frames are securely attached, your solar panels will be hoisted up your roof and fixed onto the mounts. After your solar panels are set up, they will be connected to an inverter and then connected to your house's electrical system via your distribution board. This allows your home to draw electricity generated by your solar system first, and when more electricity is needed, continue to draw from the national power grid. Once your system is connected, an inspection of your system will be done by a licensed electrical worker, along with permits submitted to SP Power Grid. Once approval is provided by SP, you can start enjoying free solar electricity. This entire solar installation process should take 5 to 7 days in Singapore, depending on weather conditions. To get started, click the link in the description to try out Solar AI's digital solar assessment tool.